We are going through exercise 13E. This is question 3, which says without using a calculator, evaluate each of the following. And in this video, we're going to go through G and H. So let's give it a go. So if I have this, what I'm first going to do is rewrite it as log to the base 10. Now, here I have 10,000, and I know another way to write 10,000 is simply 10 to the power of 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, so that's how I know it's a 4 there. So now that it's in this form, I can bring that 4 to the front, so I'm going to get 4 log 10 of 10. Now I know that when my base and argument are the same, it's simply going to be equal to 1. So that means this right here will be 1, and then I'm multiplying that by 4. So my answer is going to be 4. Let me get my highlighter and highlight that. Let's now answer H. Now H is a little bit trickier. It's not that much trickier. Let's see what it's saying here. So we have log of 10. Now I am immediately going to realize that I'm moving this decimal place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know it's going to be 10 to the negative 6. Now, how do I know that? So this here's just a little bit of a detour of how I know that. If I had 10 to the negative 1, I know that's the same as 1 over 10. And in which case, it's simply going to be 0.1. I'm going to have to scroll a little bit this way. It's going to be 0.1. So as you can see, it's 1 away from being at the front. I'm moving my decimal place 1 that way to get back to 1. If I had 10 to the negative 2, that's going to be 1 over 100, in which case it's going to be 0.01. In this instance, I have to go 1, 2 back, and I get a 2 there. If I had 10 to the negative 3, it's going to be 1 over 1000, in which case I'm going to get 0.001. 1, 2, 3 back, negative 3 there. So just by counting how many times I've moved my decimal place, I can get to that 6 there. So again, all I'm doing is I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in order to get it. All right. Once I'm here, I'm just going to move that negative 6 to the front, and I'm going to get log 10 of 10, log 10 of 10. And then what I'm going to do is negative 6 by 1 is going to be equal to negative 6. And just like that, I get my answer. So the answer to G is 4, and the answer to H is negative 6. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you.